Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have for anyone planning parties or events, or simply looking for stylish and eco-friendly gift packaging. These are the BagDream 50-pack small Kraft paper gift bags with handles. If you're on the hunt for the best small candy bags for favors, stick around because we're about to break down everything you need to know about these little wonders. These BagDream paper bags are not your average party favor containers. They measure 3.5 inches in length, 2.4 inches in width, and 6.7 inches in height, making them perfect for holding everything from candies to small gifts like jewelry or handmade crafts. They're crafted from 100% recycled paper, meeting FSC compliance standards. So, you're not just getting convenience, but also contributing to sustainability. These bags are made from 110G Kraft paper, ensuring they're robust enough to hold up to 600 milliliters of liquid or up to 4 pounds of products. That's impressive for a bag of this size. Perfect for any occasion, whether it's a bridal shower, baby shower, wedding, or a simple birthday party, these bags fit right in. They're also great for small business owners looking to package their products attractively. With their blank canvas design, you can easily personalize these bags with ribbons, tags, or stamps to match your event theme or brand identity. Let me show you just how practical these bags are. Whether you're filling them with treats for a party or using them to package small gifts, the sturdy handles and solid bottoms ensure everything stays secure. Plus, their elegant black color adds a touch of sophistication to any occasion. Now, let's quickly compare these to similar products on the market. Unlike some cheaper alternatives, these BagDream bags don't compromise on quality. They're affordable without sacrificing durability or style. To wrap things up, if you're in the market for the best small candy bags for favors, the BagDream 50-pack small Kraft paper gift bags with handles should be at the top of your list. They're eco-friendly, sturdy, versatile, and perfect for any occasion. Plus, with their customizable design, you can add your own personal touch effortlessly. Check them out via the link in the description below if you're interested. And that concludes our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.